Welcome back to FX Sword Art. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Baymax from Big Hero 6. For this tutorial, you're going to need a permanent marker, a pencil, a paper, and you probably won't need anything to color with because he's mostly white. The first thing we're going to do is draw an oval at the top for his head. And for this, you can either use a permanent marker, or like I'm doing, I'm going to be doing the outline and then trace it with permanent marker. Now that we're done with that, we're going to do the eyes by doing two circles right here, another one right here. Okay, so next we're going to connect these with a line. You can also make it a curve, like up or down, just for more motion, but it's usually just a line. Okay, so next we're going to be doing the big body. So we're just going to be doing a curve down, and again I'll be using pencil. Now that we're done with that, we're going to move on to the arms. So we're just going to do another curve coming out of the top right here, and it gets bigger as it goes, like that. Then we're going to do the fingers, which is a bump. And then another one here, and then we can connect them with a curve, like that. Then we can bring this back up and into the body. Then we're gonna duplicate this on the other side, just mirror it, like that. Okay. Next we're gonna move on to the legs, which are just two marshmallow things. So they come from about up here, like that, and then bring them across, like that, and then pull them back up, like that. And those are basically his legs. So that's pretty much it with the main details. He also has this little like compartment thing here. You just do a circle, and then two lines, and then a diagonal line, and then another line, like that. So that's pretty much Baymax. This is what it looks like after the coloring. As you can see, it's just a little bit of shading around the edges here. So yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to leave a like. Also, if you want me to draw more Big Hero 6 characters in the future, please make sure to comment that down below. And if you enjoy drawing in general and want to see more of these, then please subscribe. Bye.